Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to perform a hard reset on Anchor Nebula Projector Capsule 3. As always, I'll show you it right that. No. And now open your settings. Then go to Accounts. Select your account, scroll all the way down, delete account, and delete account. And now click factory reset and erase everything. Erase. Did I say erase? I don't know. And that's it. After a brief moment, all should work perfectly fine. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.